Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sashrik Rajesh. Welcome back to another market analysis video for 13th March 2023. In this video, we are going to discuss about my view on Nifty, Banknifty, and we're also going to discuss about some intraday stocks. So without wasting any time, if you guys haven't subscribed yet and liked the video, please do that. And let's get started with the video. Alright guys, let's get started right away. So as usual, let's start with the global markets. So if you see the US market, it has fell all from this trend line to the trend line it's been following for a lot of time. So this could be considered as a retest, or I already mentioned this in my previous market analysis video. If it breaks this trend line, the market would be considered as bearish, the US market. Or this could just be a retest for a new high, right? And this trend line has been acting as a support from this breakout. So you guys can keep a note about this. So that's for the US market. The US market fell almost 5%. That's because of some unemployment rate results and something like that. So that's why the US market fell this much. And if you see the other global markets, European markets have been falling, Asian markets fell. So overall, the global cues have been negative for the last week, right? Let's move on to our market. Let's move on to Nifty. All right, Nifty. So let's close everything. So this is the weekly time frame. So let's start from here. There's been a big fall, a consolidation, again a fall, some kind of consolidation, again a fall. This could be considered as a consolidation, right? It's forming lower lows and lower highs, but at this level, it took support almost 6 weeks back, and again it came now and took support. So this level is an important level. All right, so this level is an important level. Unless the market closes below this level, I wouldn't be bearish in the market. All right, that's what we get from the higher time frame. It is forming lower lows, but I won't be completely bearish unless this level is broken. All right, so that's the analysis in the higher time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame and check if there's something important. Pretty much the same thing. It's been forming higher lows and lower lows, but it didn't break this level yet. So that's what we get from both the time frames. So let's move on to my plan of action. So let's go on to our levels. All right, so Nifty from this level, it gave a huge fall, like a not even like a forming like higher lows and falling. It gave like a straight downfall. This is because of the global markets and the global pressure. That's why Nifty fell. But I'm slightly bullish on Nifty, at least for next week. I'll give you the reasons because of some data and some price action points, which I'll tell you guys soon. But here's point one, right? No market falls like this. So imagine you're a big player in the market and you're bearish, right, in the market because of some news or whatever. Sorry. Yeah, because of some news or whatever. Can you break this level after this kind of a fall? So imagine the people who booked, like who started their trade here. they'll be booking profits here, right? So the market will be going up at least a little bit. It'll either make a higher low or something like that, or some kind of consolidation. Without that, the market just can't keep going down, 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 breaking lower lows like that. So that's the mindset I'm in, based on price action, that no market falls like this. Also, there's another data point which I'll discuss after talking about Bank Nifty. Uh, the second point is, if you guys see this is a gap, right? This whole region is considered as a gap. If the market falls, I'm sure you guys know that all the gaps get covered in the market in at some point, right? So if this level breaks, and imagine we are somewhere here in the market, right? Imagine we're somewhere here. The market should come almost 2% up back to cover this gap. So first point is, based on price action, markets never move like this. Second point is, this gap is not yet covered. So the market has to move up to cover this gap at some point, right? Then third point is some data point, which I'll show you guys later. But that's my analysis for Nifty, that, okay, the market might go up at least for next week. Okay, even though it's forming lower lows, I'm pretty sure that the market will go up based on the higher time frames and the lower time frame. So here's my plan of action. If this level breaks, right? So there's two things. If this level comes here and gives me a green candle at this level somewhere, I'm 100% bullish on the market, because this is an important level, which I told you in the higher time frame, that this level has been respected for almost 6 weeks. So if it gives me a green candle here, I'm bullish on the market, right? And I can take any of these levels as my target based on your comfortability. The second thing, if the market, so I won't take up a trade. Like, I'm sure you guys know my style of trading. If you guys still don't know it, you guys can go check out my live trading videos. Yeah, but anyways, so if this level doesn't come here and then go up, I won't be taking a trade, right? In my style of trading. Um, I'll be looking for intraday opportunities. Maybe if this level breaks out over here, I'll take up this as my target. So something like that, right? But overall, I'm bullish on the market, at least till this gap is covered. So if it starts here, goes up, I'm bullish. If it just goes up here, I'll be taking short targets. I won't really be trading like in my style, which I usually do, by just selling a far OTM call option. I wouldn't be doing that if it opens somewhere here. I'll be looking for a pullback and then taking up that kind of trades. All right, the second possibility. So these two for the bullish possibility. This third possibility for a bearish possibility is if the market starts consolidating in this region. If the market starts consolidating in this region, I'll be slightly cautious, because, like I told you, no market keeps going down. But if there's some kind of consolidation, then there's a high possibility that the market can break, and it will be a genuine breakout or breakdown, whichever. So if the market starts consolidating in this region, I'll be slightly cautious. Till any level breaks, I won't be taking up a trade. So if it starts consolidating, mark a high, mark a low. Until any of that breaks, don't take up a trade, right? If it breaks down, make sure this level also breaks, all right? Because before, the market gave a fake breakdown and the market started rallying very high. So a lot of buyers are sitting here. So make sure this level breaks and there's a genuine breakout. So there's a breakout and a retest, and then the market starts falling. So look for those kind of trades. All right, that's for Nifty. Let's go to Bank Nifty. All right, so let's go to the higher time frame in Bank Nifty. Let's go to the 1 week time frame. All right, so Bank Nifty gives me a clear direction more than Nifty. I'll tell you guys why. So if you go open up one indicator, which is the 50 moving average, you guys can see the market has taken support from the 50 moving average, almost from the 50 moving average. And at this level, the market's not able to go up also. So this is one level, right? And this is another level. So if till any of these levels break, I won't be bullish or bearish in the market. I'll be sideways in the market. So I'll be trading when the market comes here. I'll be taking up a bullish trade. If the market comes here, I'll be taking up a bearish trade. If the market breaks down, then only I'll be taking up one side, whether it's bearish or bullish. Right. So in Bank Nifty, I'm sideways till these two levels break out in the higher time frame. Now let's go to the lower time frame and plan out our trade. So I'll just open it again. All right. So let's plan our trade right now. The same kind of thing. If the market comes to this level, 100% I'm bullish. If it gives me a green candle here, I'll be selling a FAR OTM option and then taking up a trade to the upside, like I usually trade. But the market should move almost 2% to come to this level. So if that doesn't happen, I'm still bullish on the market. So if it breaks out from this level, I'll be taking small intraday opportunities till the gap is covered. And then if the market happens to come here, I'll be waiting for a red candle and then shorting the market again, or waiting for like a bullish candle or a breakout, which I mentioned in the higher time frame. So these are my possibilities. If it comes here, I'm first possibility, best possibility, I'm bullish in the market. If it breaks out from this level, I'll be looking for small intraday opportunities. Third thing, if it comes over here, gives me a red candle, I'll be shorting the market. So this is third. And if it breaks out, which is, I'm not really sure it would, because I'll tell you guys why later on. If it gives me a breakout here, I'm still bullish in the market. Breakdown, I'm not really looking forward to because already the market's stretched. But if anything can happen in the market, I wouldn't be taking a breakdown unless there's some kind of consolidation in the market. So that's my analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. A quick thing. Let's go to some data, right? FII and DII data. All right. So let's start. So when was the last week? I did the market analysis video on March 6th, right? 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay, let's start from 8th, 9th, and 10th. 8th, if you guys can see, FII is bought 2,733 crores of rupees, right? So let's go here. Let's check out where's 8th. So 8th is somewhere here, right? Right, around this level, imagine at the all-time high. FIIs are not stupid. They also know all the levels we know. Like they know here that this is an important resistance. Still, they bought 2,000 quantities, and it's not like they sold and bought it. They've been stacking up their positions since Feb 27, and even at this level, they bought. Right? Do you guys see that? Next thing, so March 8th, they bought here. March 9th, the market started falling. So somewhere here, the market started falling and FII sold only 500 crores. Then again, March 10th, right? FII sold 700 crores. So look at the amount they're buying and look at the amount they're selling. You can't make a ratio at all because this is very huge in number compared to this, right? And FIIs are not stupid to literally, sorry, FIIs are not stupid to buy around this level, right? When there's an all-time high. So they were expecting some bullish move, because imagine you bought here, you make profit only when the market goes up, right, to somewhere here. You don't make profit unless it goes up, right? So all these people have been waiting for a breakout, are stacking up their position for a breakout, right? So this is what the data shows, and this is always previous data. Anything can happen in the market, but they've been stacking up their positions at even this level because of some global pressure and because of the interest rates in US and stuff. The market started following. Otherwise, if all the news were good and stuff, maybe the market would have rallied. So this happened. This fall is not because of any other economics in India. It's because of global pressure. So this is one more reason that I'm bullish in the market, because FIIs are generally stacking up their positions, right? If they sold a lot, maybe I'll be hesitant, but look at the amount they're selling. It's very less, right, compared to what they're buying. So that's one more data point. So there's 3 data points for me to be bullish in the market. All right, so that's my analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's move on to some stocks really quick. So Axis Bank, it's been following this trend line for a very long time. There's been a breakdown, and there's also been a retest and something like a double top. So it's a very good opportunity to short the stock. Maybe if the market opens below this level, add your first set of quantities, right, somewhere here. Keep your stop loss above this level. Add your next set of quantities or your whole quantities when this level breaks. Again, same stop loss, or you maybe update your stop loss over here. And then this could be a first target, this could be a second target. All right. So this is my trade plan for Axis Bank. I'm not going to waste my the video's time by giving the levels. All the levels are posted in the community post. You guys can go check that out. Right, so I'm not going to be giving levels over here. You guys can go check the community post out. All right, ICICI Bank. So yeah, let's first remove all the unwanted things. All right, so ICICI Bank had it consolidated the entire time from on Friday. So there's a possibility that the market can break up. Whichever side it breaks out, you guys can take up quick targets. So if it breaks out to the upside, this is just a resistance. But this is not really a target, so don't consider this as a target. Maybe you can wait for like a retest at this level, and then if there's another green candle, you can take up a trade or add your second set of quantities. But if there's a breakout, this can be your main target, this can be your second target, right, to the upside. If there's a breakout here or a breakdown, this can be your target, right? So whichever side it basically breaks out, take up a trade, and you guys can take the levels. All right, power grid. So again, let's remove all the unwanted stuff. So power grid made an interesting pattern, and I'm trading this only based off the pattern. If you guys see here, this is a head and shoulders pattern. So if you guys don't know what's a head and shoulder, there's a head here, there's kind of a fake breakout, and then again a shoulder. So this is a bearish pattern. So the moment this line breaks, you guys can take up a target of this level. So if there's a red candle here, you guys can take a target of this level. Also, this is a very important level, so I wouldn't go bullish in the stock. I'll tell you why it's important. So if you guys know this tool, it's called the Fibonacci retracement. In this, you connect the high. So this is a bearish trend, right? So you connect the all-time, like the recent high to the recent low. If you guys notice, 0.6 and zero point 0.5 are very, very important levels, which are considered as golden levels. Okay. The market exactly at that level took resistance. If you guys can see this entire region, so I wouldn't go bullish. Okay. Um. So this is a perfect. So according to the chart pattern, Fibonacci, and the levels, this is a perfect bearish struck for this level. So you guys can take that out. All right. So ONGC, a bullish trade. So simple. It's been following this trend line for a very long time. If this trend line breaks out with a green candle, this can be your target. All right. And yeah, so that can be your target. Hindustan Unilever. So this I gave for a swing trade last time, but now it's there for an intraday stocks. So let's discuss about this. So yeah, sorry, I did draw a trend line here. I forgot about it. Yeah, anyways. So the stock has been taking resistance from this level for a pretty long time. So if there's a breakout towards the upside here, if there's a green candle which is closing above this level, you guys can take up a trade and this could be your targets. All right, to the bullish side. All right, so two stocks to the bearish side, Axis Bank and Power Grid. ICICI, a neutral stock, whichever side it breaks out, you guys can take up a trade. ONGC and Hindustan Unilever for the bullish side. And okay, I think that's all for this video. All right, guys, so I discussed everything, Nifty, Banknifty, a few intraday stocks. The reason, I'll just clarify this really quick. The reason I didn't give swing trading stocks is because, like you guys saw, the market is sideways. So any swing trading stock won't work because the market's sideways, right? So every stock follows the market trend. So swing trading stocks won't work unless, so right now is the time to stack up your position and wait for a breakout, right? No matter which stock it is. So it's a perfect opportunity for you guys to stack up for your long-term stocks right now. I'll be only giving swing trading stocks when there's a clear market direction. So till then, I won't be giving swing trading stocks. If I do, I'll be giving swing trading stocks only for a day or two, where you guys hold it for a day or two. All right, guys, I gave an entire logic on what's my plan for Monday. If you guys like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you want more videos like this, comment it down below. Have a safe trading session next week. Make sure you follow the levels. If you guys want to know the way I trade and my trading style, check out my live trading videos. Other than that, thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you guys in another video. Have a good day.